Good morning all first year students. Now today we will see the chemical reactions on the carbohydrates. Chemical reaction. Chemical reactions. Today we will see the new part of the carbohydrates, the chemical reactions. Now first reaction, you see the dehydration. What do you mean by the dehydration? Now first, you know, the dehydration means remove of the water molecules. The carbohydrate, you have to take that such compound on dehydration is gives the purpular derivative. The dehydrating agent are used the concentrated sulfuric acid. See the reaction. The carbohydrate on dehydration gives purpural or its derivative. The concentrated sulfuric acid is used as dehydrating agents. Okay. Now what happened in the reaction on the sulfuric acid? Dehydration means remove of water molecule, but in the case of 3 water molecule is removed and it gives the purpular derivative. How is given? Now see the reaction. CHOH reaction on the glucose OH. Now it's a carbohydrate, monosaccharide. Okay. D-glucose that get, which using the dehydrating agent are used the sulfuric acid, concentrated H2SO4 use as a dehydrating agent, and it gives the purpular derivative. Remove of 3 water molecule. Which 3 water molecule? And there give the purpular derivative. Make a valency 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, now it's called the hydroxy methyl furfural. Now remove the 3 water molecules. 3 water molecule, 3 H2O. Now 3 H2O remove and they get the purple derivative, and sulfuric acid react as dehydration. The glucose react with the dehydrating agent and get the purpular derivative is called a dehydration test. Okay, that's the purpular derivative can be obtained by condensation of phenolic group. The alpha naphthol solution are used. Okay. Now how the reaction is going? The original solution or glucose solution may be treated with the sulfuric acid, undergoes the dehydration take place, with an elimination of 3 water molecule give hydroxy methyl cellulose derivative or its derivatives. Okay, now generally dehydration test is called dehydration test, also called as Mollis test. Mollis test. The Mollis test, the Mollis test is used for general identification test of carbohydrate. It is used for generally in the identify the given sample. It may be the carbohydrate. That test react with alpha naphthol. Now in the Mollis test, sulfuric acid plus original solution plus concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus alpha naphthol, it gives violet ring in between two junction of liquid. दोनों के बीच में जंक्शन के बीच में वायलेट रिंग आएंगी. दैट रिंग इंडिकेट्स द गिवन सैंपल इज carbohydrate. These are the general identification tests. Now here is a dehydration, condensation of the glucose molecule and 3 water molecule is removed, and it gives the purpular derivative. Is give the hydroxy methoxy purpular, and these tests are Mollis test. Generally is for identification test. In Mollis test is add original solution plus sulfuric acid plus alpha naphthol gives violet ring in between the junction between the two liquids. It indicates that the given sample having the carbohydrate, and that's why it's a general identification test of carbohydrate. You understand? This reaction is question asked. Write down explain Mollis test. Reaction must, and their importance must. These having the marks. These having the 1 marks. These having the 1 marks. Marks is distributed like that. The next is see the reduction. Now the reduction. When treated with the reducing agent, reaction. When treated with reducing agent such as sodium amalgam, the aldehyde or keto group of monosaccharides. This treated with the aldehyde group of monosaccharide is reduced to corresponding alcohol. See, what is reduction reaction? Now, see in that the reduction reaction when treated with the reducing agent. Reduction reaction here is the reducing agent used as a sodium amalgam as a reducing reagent. The aldehyde or ketone group. Now reduction reaction take place where in the monosaccharide group, those having the aldehyde group, that aldehyde group their changes take place. Those having the monosaccharide ketone group, that ketone group changes take place, and it gives the alcohol. It gives the alcohol. Now see for the glucose reaction. Now can you understand? Yeah, okay. Just see the one reaction I can draw. See the properly then. C double bond H COH COH. Now tell me that compound name. Can you understand? This group is called as, which are this group? These are the aldehyde, and the aldose, those group having the aldehyde that is called as the monosaccharide. Equity 6A, that is a glucose. क्या है ये? Glucose, that is the T glucose. You can write down that manner also the aldehyde group, and you will get the reduction reaction. Reduction reaction means the addition of the hydrogen take place is by using the sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam used as a reducing agent, and it gives corresponding alcohol. क्या मिलेगा? It can give the corresponding alcohol. Now addition take place where reduction reaction addition take place to the of monosaccharide to the those aldehyde or ketose, and it gives the corresponding alcohol. It gives, now here changes take place only the aldehyde group, not the other compound. Now what is the sodium amalgam? That addition of the hydrogen molecules. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Addition of hydrogen molecule, and then give the alcohol, then H, then OH. It gives the hydrogen molecules. One, two, three, four, 5 or 6, and that is gives the sorbitol. D glucose reduction reaction gives the D sorbitol. Sodium amalgam act as reducing sugar, similarly as D galactose. Same reduction sugar is give D dulcitol. D fructose gives, sodium amalgam is a reducing reagent, is gives D mannitol and D sorbitol. These are the example of the reducing sugars. Okay. Now see the, just see the, you know the practicals. Are you perform the practicals? Okay, you know, you perform the practical carbohydrates. You know the Benedict's reagents. See the another test is a Benedict test. Now what is the Benedict test? In what is Benedict test? The carbohydrate is treated with alkaline copper sulfate, and copper sulfate get reduced and give the red precipitation, and that precipitation is having the cuprous oxide. Now see the carbohydrate solution plus copper sulfate is gives the cuprous oxide. Remove the water molecule and nascent oxygen, and that is gives the red color. Which color? That is a red precipitation. Red precipitation occur there because of the having the cuprous oxide. Okay, now these are the Benedict test. Benedict test is used for the, it is commonly used, importance of that test is commonly used for all reducing sugar show positive. All reducing sugar show the positive. Reducing sugar, those group is having, what do you mean by the reducing sugar? Those group is having free aldehyde or ketone group, that is called the reducing sugar. It can show by the lactose, mannose. These are the reducing sugar. It show the positive. It is used for all reducing sugar should be positive. It is sucrose is non-reducing sugar. It show the negative test. Okay. Now these are the importance of Benedict test. Now the next, Barford. Barford test. This test used for monosaccharide reducing. It is used for reducing monosaccharides. Okay. Now these are the tests. Now you know the, see the manual and check it. Okay. Now the next test is so important test. Always ask the annual examination for the 4 marks. Oxidizing test. Oxidation test will remain now. The oxidation test. Reduction is completed now. The oxidation test. Now in the oxidation test, oxidation depend on the oxidation agent. The oxidation depending on the oxidizing agent used in the reaction. Now when you perform the oxidation test, all the depend on the oxidizing agent. It may be strong, it may be mild, it may be moderate, and that's and that such a oxidizing agent is react and it gives all the sugars, all the sugars oxidation take place and gives acid, but terminals are the changes. Okay, for example, oxidation on the aldehyde group result in formation of gluconic acid, and the bromide are used as a mild oxidizing agents. Okay, now the reactions of the glucose. Now see that one by one you have to see. Then for example, oxidation reaction by using bromine, water, bromine. They are used bromine. It's a mild oxidizing agent. Oxidation reaction by using bromine is a mild oxidizing agent on glucose. The oxidation take place. Where is oxidation take place? Oxidation take place of aldehyde group. Result in the formation of gluconic acids. Which acid is formed? Reaction with the C, ये glucose है. Which are oxidizing agent? Br2 is mild. Is oxidation take place वहाँ पे in the glucose aldehyde group. Now this group changes कहाँ पे take place होंगे? Then oxidation. Now that aldehyde group is changed, which gives the gluconic acid. Now this is a change. Okay, now this gluconic acid. Now this the glucose oxidizing a Br2 gives the gluconic acid. The changes take place in the aldehyde group depend on the oxidation, depend on the oxidizing agents, and all the sugar give the acids. Now here is the glucose react with the bromine. It's a mild oxidizing agent. Aldehyde changes take place in the aldehyde group. It gives the gluconic acid. Glucose oxidizing with the bromine, it gives the gluconic acid. Okay. Now the second oxidizing agent, same. Now another CH2. Second oxidizing agent are used platinum, and the changes take place glucouronic. Now the changes take place as a terminal, last terminal. Now here changes take place is the terminal, that is glucouronic acid. The oxidation of terminal alcohol gives to glucouronic acid. क्या मिलता है आपको? glucouronic acid. Here is a terminal alcohol is changes take place and the oxidizing agent are used platinum and use glucouronic acids. Okay, used as a oxidizing agent. Now the next oxidizing agent, number 3, the oxidation of both group means aldehyde and alcohol. Now aldehyde group is this C and the alcohol is CH2OH, that is in which in third both group it changes take place. The oxidation take place of the both group. Which are the group? Aldehyde and the alcohol group gives glucosaccharic acid. It gives the oxidizing agent are used. It's oxidizing agent are used to concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. When the nitric acid use both terminal aldehyde and alcohol, they are conversion in the acid group, and such acid name is called as the glucosaccharic acid. Now see the reaction. Glucose, okay, draw the structure. You also give the number. Oxidizing agent are used concentrated nitric acid, strong oxidizing agent. The changes take place of the both group, aldehyde and the alcohol group, both terminals. Now this should be the changes take place, and it gives glucosaccharic acid. क्या देते हो? Saccharic acid. Name of that compound is glucosaccharic acids. Now these are the three different oxidizing agent. First, the oxidation is react with the bromine and it's a mild oxidizing agent. It gives the glucose react with the first bromine, it gives the gluconic acid. That changes take place in the aldehyde group first. Second R use the platinum, the changes take place to the terminal alcohol and it gives the gluconic acid. And third one R use the nitric acid, changes take place in the aldehyde and the